Please subscribe and press the bell icon near subscribe button to get notification about my new videos. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make palazzo pant. So I'm going to make this palazzo pant in a different method today. So I will be placing my already made palazzo pant on the fabric, and then I will mark it according to that, and then I will cut it out. So I am going to try this method for the first time, so let's see how it will look. So let's get started. So here is my fabric. This is 2 meters of fabric, and then I have folded this in half like this. Now from this folded side I'm going to make one more fold like this. So now I have 4 layers of fabric. So this is folded from one side and open from one side. Now I'm going to take my favorite palazzo pants which fits me really well. So you have to choose your favorite piece of palazzo pant and then place it on the fabric like this. So crotch area will be here to the open side, and from the top I'm going to take around 2 inch of gap, and then I'll make a line here. So I'm leaving this 2 inch for the belt. Now from the crotch area I'm going to mark a point here, small point, and I'll take around 1 or 1.5 inch of gap. Now from the belt line I'm going to make a straight line till the crotch area point. Here you can see. And then here I'm going to give a curve for the crotch area. Now make the curve inside this box, and then from this point take around 1.5 inch of gap, and from there I will take this line straight down to the bottom part, leaving around 1 inch of gap like this. So here my line is done till the bottom part. Now from the bottom side again I'm taking 2 inch of gap. You can take 1 or 1.5 inch, and then make the curve like this. So here my marking is done. Now I'm going to cut this out. Here my cutting is done and my pieces are looking like this. Here you can see. So after cutting it's looking like this. Now I'm going to give stitch to the crotch area like here and here. So leaving around 1/2 inch or 1 inch of gap, you can give stitch to your crotch area. Here my stitch is done. Now I will take the middle part and then I will open it like this, so that the stitch of the crotch area will come to the middle. Here you can see the stitch is here at the middle from back side and front side also. Now I'm going to give stitch to the belt part, that 2 inch of gap that we have given at the time of marking. So I'm going to give 2 little folds there, and then I'll give the stitch and make a place for the elastic. And then I'm going to give stitch to the crotch area and the bottom part. So this is the crotch area. You can see 2 stitches, front side and back side. Just pin this together first and then give the stitch. So first give stitch to the middle part, joining both the stitches together. So here you can see how I'm doing this. Give the stitch and then come to the leg part. So here I'm giving stitch to the leg part. So like this only you have to complete both the legs. Now I'm giving stitch to the belt. So what I'm going to do is I will take small fold and then one big fold, and here I will give stitch to all over the waist part, and I leave around 1 inch of gap so that I can insert my elastic. So here my waist part is done. Here is the little gap for the elastic. So with the help of safety pin, you can insert your elastic. So this is done. Now I'm going to adjust it, and then I will join these two edges with the stitch, and then I will close the opening. Here it is done. Now I will close the opening. So here you can see my belt is done. If you want, you can give one more stitch to the middle part of the elastic, and my bottom part is also done. I have given two little folds to the bottom part, and then I have given the stitch, and here my palazzo pant is ready, and this is the overall look. But let me tell you very frankly that while wearing, there was a little bit of stretch at the inside of the legs where we have given the crotch area. So it was okay, but not so comfortable. So if you want, you can try this out. I have tried this because in the internet I have seen so many of tutorials like this, so I just wanted to try it out. So it is good, but yes, there is little bit of stretch at the inside of the legs. So I hope you liked this video and you liked my honest review about this tutorial. And if you want these kinds of videos more, you can comment below and tell me. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.